Hello everyone, my name is Neil and I want to say thank you for agreeing to review our beautiful product Kitchen Timer from Kitchen EN. What you need to do to review our product is very simple. You type the Kitchen Timer on the search engine and press enter. After that you can click here if you want to go to this stage of page. And then you are going to page number 3 and go down, and here it is. This is our beautiful product. You are clicking on the product and add to cart and put your free coupon, and the product will ship to your home. If you don't find us in page number 3, look for us in page number 4 or page number 2 or page number 5, but we are there. I believe that you will find us in page number 3. So we are waiting for your honest review, and thank you very much. Bye bye.